Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, Sibongile and the Dlaminis, I must say I am really proud of Usibalikhulu for telling Ukwenzo the truth. I had thought maybe somebody would come in and disturb the whole process, but Ukwenzo finally knows. And it also talks to the man that Usibalikhulu is, having decided to say we're not going to keep this secret from this child for a long time. It's already been long, singazi kwenzakalani, but now let us tell him the truth. I really appreciated that. Even though you can see ukuthi Ukwenzo is lost, he is literally lost. He does not know ukuthi uzohlanganisa ini nani, but now he knows who his father is. He slept at the ocean because I don't know why, maybe going home and explaining his feelings to Usibongile, and they are busy fighting about Sibongile's new job. It's just something that is exhausting. But now here's the thing that also shook me. Umkasibalikhulu uPhetheni did not know ukuthi iqiniso lizokhishwa. Girl got surprised, waze wabuza ukuthi waze wamtshela pho, we did not discuss it and but Usibalikhulu told all the family members ukuthi Ukwenzo ngimtshelile, Ukwenzo sekayazi ukuthi akusuyena umntana kanje ngaye, ubabakhe ubani. Aye kulo baba ayokhuluma naye, ubaba azama ukuthi athini, but lo baba I don't understand why he did not explain to uLokhunja ukuthi yes, your mom and I did this whole shandis, but I did not know that you were my child. So your mother also did not know. If it was not for the DNA test that your father conducted, all of us would still believe that you are Njengaye's child. So I don't know why they are omitting that part of everything, or maybe it's something that Ukwenzo uzoyitshela uPhetheni, or I just don't understand ukuthi why are they skipping that important part, because it's as if everybody knew all along and he was only the one that was not told, and everybody did not know all along. It's only now that iqiniso liyaphuma, understand? And I also don't get makathi umama kaPhetheni makathi uPhetheni cheated. uPhetheni did not cheat. It was a moment of weakness, as they are explaining it, because they were not in a relationship. I don't know, maybe ngoba lo mchithwa siwazi asu experience anga as understanding ukuthi what is under I definition yomchitho, but uqela ukwenzela ukwenzwa imbeleko, and the son entered, who was the son vele all along, the firstborn son, or if he's the firstborn son, entered, and I said, you want to do what? I think the conflict and the family is going to fall anje it from there, but I don't know what you think. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.